Luke Lobster with underwater teachers taught tiny crabs and other sea creatures, flutters, shivers, and casts go to his class, consortiums, troops, and shoals of young sea bass. But deep in his heart he needs more than cash refill what the sea skin took from his stash. In his crevice rasping rhymes with a flash, but his friends and neighbors gurgled balderdash. On that geyser put a lid, said chick lid, you're so shellfish, splish puffer fish livid. All sea dogs can't make their mark, bark duck shark, that change in your flow won't float like an ark. When Luke scuttled into school next morning, squid squads heard his snapping and clattering. Their clicks and cracks ebb and flow with feeling. Then more fish joined, undulating deep in his burrow, practicing a bash, rasping and rhyming with real pizzazz, spewing sleeves of synonyms in a splash. But his friends gurgled back, balderdash. Even girlfriend Eel revealed how she feels with screams, but Luke waded through these ordeals by writing rhymes and posting them on the line, until Gills heard them from far off the coastline. Deep in his burrow practicing a bash, rasping and rhyming with real pizzazz, spewing sleeves of synonyms in a splash, but his sea friends gurgled back, balderdash. Luke ignored the insular derision after days teaching alliteration, synecdoche, personification. Luke received urgent communication. Dashing to his burrow, he was awash with waves of raves that filled his stale mail stash. A sudden gate crash, splash! It was the ocean's biggest mustache. Luke's raps were a tsunami of a prize, and the kingfish wanted to recognize, give validation to Luke's ambition, pouring in waves of appreciation. So that's the legend of Luke in the sea. Go putter towards what you wanna be, and swim far, far away from fallacy. Dive into the tides of your true destiny.